Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a powerful tool that's been saving me countless hours when it comes to writing emails for my marketing campaigns. It's called Hoppy Copy, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. So, what is Hoppy Copy? It's an AI-powered platform designed specifically for marketers like you and me. It helps you generate high-quality email copy for a variety of campaigns, whether it's product launches, newsletters, or drip sequences, in just seconds. Let's dive into some of the key features and how they can supercharge your email marketing efforts. 1. AI writing templates. With over 50 email AI writing templates, you can go from brainstorming to driving revenue in no time. These templates are based on scientifically proven formulas, ensuring your emails are not only engaging but also effective. 2. Advanced writing formulas. Experiment with different writing formulas to see what resonates best with your audience. From witty headlines to persuasive calls to action, Hoppy Copy has you covered. 3. Custom brand voices styles. Maintain consistency across all your content by automatically applying your unique brand tone and style. 4. Editor tools. Tweak and edit your copy with confidence using advanced editor tools. Whether you need to generate campaign ideas or craft compelling subject lines, Hoppy Copy has the tools to make your content stand out. 5. Spam checker. Increase your open rates by running a spam check on your emails. Identify and replace spam keywords with stronger copy to ensure your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes. 6. Images GIFs. Bring your emails to life with creative AI-generated images and GIFs. Choose from a vast database of stock images or create your own personalized visuals. 7. Competitor monitoring. Stay ahead of the game by accessing thousands of emails sent by top brands. Analyze their strategies and adapt them to your own campaigns. And the best part? You can do all of this and more for free. No credit card required. So, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large marketing team, Hoppy Copy has something for everyone. If you're tired of spending hours crafting emails from scratch, I highly recommend giving Hoppy Copy a try. Join the 30,000 marketers who are already reaping the benefits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.